cat eye but level it up. It is time to do a two-tone version of this classic. Pat McGrath is creating two-tone neon cat eyes for the runway this season. Seen on Dua Lipa for Versace, this trend takes the cat eye to the next level. It is high fashion, dramatic, and it is here to stay. Try out the two-tone cat eyes now. Let's try and level up. Trending on Instagram, this technique has darker shades on the inner and outer corners of the lid and a lighter shimmery shade in the center. The final result is a literal halo effect around the eyes. Try out the halo eyes now.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.